Welcome to my channel World of Forensics. Today we are going to discuss about a type of printing process which is known as offset printing. So what is offset printing? It is a method of mass production of printing in which the images on metal plates are transferred to rubber blankets or rollers and then to the print media rather than to the print surface directly from the plate to the paper. That is. It is also known as offset lithography. Now comes the principle of offset printing. Printing is based on the principle that water and grease do not mix. So a greasy ink can be deposited on greasy treated printing ink of the plate, while non-printing areas which hold water reject the ink. Now comes the process of offset printing. First, the required image, text, or the graphics are layered in a rapid succession on the plate. This is usually a sheet of metal. So the image or the text or the graphics which are to be printed are first laid uh, on a plate which is a sheet of metal. Then the plate is transferred to the rubber roller or the cylinder which is then used for the main event of offset printing. There will be two plates if both sides of the paper needs to be printed. So this plate is then transferred to the rubber roller, which is used for the main printing process of offset printing. And if you need to print both sides of the paper, there will be two plates needed. The roller then feeds the paper into the press. Then the cylinder, which is made up of the rubber, which contains the ink for the artwork designs or the image that is or the text prints onto the paper to create a high quality output that is like when the roller rolls uh, after it gets in into the press, then the cylinder which is made up of rubber and it also contains the ink and the artwork, it starts rolling and we get the artwork or the required text image which is needed. It gets stamped on the paper and creates a high quality image. Now we have three types of cylinders which are used in this offset printing. First cylinder is the plate cylinder which is made up of plastic or aluminum. The second cylinder is offset blanket cylinder, which has the rubber blanket and turns in opposite side of the plastic cylinder. The third cylinder is impression cylinder, made of steel and turns opposite to the blanket cylinder. So, if the first cylinder, which is made of plastic cylinder, if it moves clockwise, then the second cylinder, which is the rubber blanket, it moves anti-clockwise, and the third cylinder, which is the impression cylinder made of steel, then it will again move uh, clockwise. So first one moves clockwise, the other will move anti-clockwise, and the third one again will move in the clockwise direction. And this whole movement of the three cylinders uh, leads to the creation of the uh, offset printing image, which is image or text which is required. Now comes some advantages of offset printing. It is very high quality printing and the distribution of ink is uniform. They are used for large or commercial scale printing. Uh, they are versatile as it allows printing on various types of materials. Along with advantages comes some disadvantages of everything. Similarly, printing also have some disadvantages, which are high turnover times, association with complicated setup, edits and proofing are time consuming and costly. Large paper volume and chemicals are used, and which has high environmental impact. Some places where this offset printing is used are printing the newspaper, magazine, brochures, books, and any type of commercial printing. Also printing of packing materials. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos.